Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to change your profile picture on Discord in a few simple steps. Click on your user profile at the bottom left to open your user profile menu. Click the Edit Profile button to open the Profile Editor modal. Click on your current avatar image to open the avatar options. Click on the avatar image, then click Upload Image to open the File Explorer. Type the name of the image you want into the file name field and click Open. An Edit Image window opens with a cropping box. Adjust it to frame your photo, then click Apply. Your new avatar appears in the preview. Click Save to confirm the change. A verification window appears asking you to prove you're human. Tick the checkbox. Once verified, the modal closes and your new profile picture is now active. Discord recommends square images that are at least 512 by 512 pixels for the best quality. If your new picture isn't showing up immediately in other servers, try refreshing Discord or logging out and back in. You can change your avatar as many times as you like by following the same steps. Open your profile and click on the current picture again. And that's how to change your profile picture on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.